Hello everyone. So for number 19, we're taking a look at a system of equations related question. It says which system of equations, so right away you know what it's dealing with on the bottom, can be used to determine the amount each player earned in millions of dollars. So what we're going to do, we're going to read the first few sentences carefully. We're dealing with someone named McGee and someone named Fitzpatrick, and we're going to use the variables m and f. So basically, this is going to be another one of those translating questions, so we want to be careful here. So let's start with the first sentence. It says McGee's earnings, M, were $0.005 million more than his teammate Fitzpatrick. So whatever McGee made, it was 0.005 million more than Fitzpatrick. So if I need to make an equation out of that, whatever McGee made, Fitzpatrick made 0.005 million less than that, which means I can set them equal to each other if all I do is add 0.005 to Fitzpatrick. And again, I can only set them equal to each other if I add this amount to the player that made less, Fitzpatrick. If I add the 0.005 on the left-hand side over here to McGee, he already made more, and then I'm adding an additional amount. How could I set them equal to each other there? An alternative, which would work, I could do m minus 0.005. That would also state equivalence. But for now, we could leave it like that. So two options there. And now our second sentence says the two players earned a total of 3.95 million. So that's a little bit easier. In other words, if I combine their two salaries, it should equal $3.95 million. And again, an alternative for the first sentence would have been this. You have to be very careful because people want to add the 0.005 to McGee because they see the words like more than connecting with the M there. But again, for you to set these equal to each other, you're kind of making an adjustment. You're saying, okay, if he made more, I have to adjust it to actually set them equal to each other. So either one of these will work for the first sentence. So now matching up here, right away, choice 1 and 4 are the only ones that have that total of 3.95 that we're looking for, the m plus f. And either one of the top equations that we're looking for, we see it correctly with choice 4. What did choice 1 do wrong? Choice 1 has the correct top equation, but for the bottom equation, they did exactly what we said not to do, or what some people might make a mistake of. McGee made more. So how can you add an additional amount to him and somehow set them equal to Fitzpatrick? That doesn't make any sense. The person making more gets more money and they're somehow equal. Doesn't make any sense. So choice 4 is the only one that's correct there. Okay, thank you for watching and hopefully this helped.